You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. I really appreciate it. This is something that I've had for a while. I showed it on video and said I would make a video of it because I'm really intrigued by it. It is the HexBug Hex Dragon. I do need to say thanks to them for sending this to me to check out on video today. It looks really cool. Kind of reminds me of a dragon I've seen in a movie, but I can't say it's that one for certain. You can let me know in the comments if you agree with me at some point. Remote-controlled, fire-breathing dragon. Ooh, what does that mean? What does that side say? Recharge and play, remote control. The back. Ooh, there's a black version and a green version, it looks like. Adjustable wings, flexible tail, floppy feet. Never thought anybody would want floppy feet. Rule your kingdom with a thunderous roar. Legs rotate to propel dragon. I remember I had a remote control. It wasn't actually a remote control. It was something you just turned on. It was green and it shot across the ground. Really cool. So this kind of reminds me of that with the feet. It looks like they're going to flip, 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 flip. Eyes and jaw glow with inner fire. Use cable, 1 hour charge time. All right. Let's check out the bottom. Ooh, there's more there. Pictures, more pictures. But nothing more that we really need to look at. Available in 3 colors. So it looks like the same design, just different colors. Remote controlled, which we know. All right, let me get this out of the box and we will check it out. Okay, ooh, it seems pretty easy to take out of the box. There's a little set of instructions. There's a cardboard insert with the USB cord in it. Interesting. Nice little packaging there, huh? And then the controller, it actually just pops right out. You pull out the little thing. There's something moving in there, though. Like a little piece of plastic glue. And this is nice. This is not cardboard. It's a hard plastic container. And it actually has texture on it. And you see the little fire breathing there. And then it looks like it's got these little twisties on the bottom. Let us remove the twisties. So it looks like you just cut the tape slightly and then just turn them 1 notch. Now cut the tape all the way through and then just turn them 1 time. That's all it takes. All right. I think that was pretty easy. That's kind of why I left it on camera. There we go. So there is the base. All right, that is done. Everything out of the way. Let us grab instructions. Oh, look, the feet. That's what they mean by floppy feet. That is quite funny. Both of them, floppy. This kind of has that rubbery feel to it. Okay, instructions. Okay, read that if you have time on your hands. Many of you don't. So I will show you this side. Remote control pairing steps. Okay, select your channel. Pick a channel different from other players. Turn on your robot one at a time. Press the hex power button on the bottom of the robot to activate. Okay, so looking down here, I see this is where this little cable goes in here. Okay, that's for charging. And then I see, what else do I see? I see the little on-off there. Okay, don't see the pairing part. Where is the pairing? On-off. Oh, maybe it's just on the controller. All right, I've got it on 1. Let's just leave it there. The batteries are out. Okay, I just went up and down, and it went. That's how he turns. Okay, don't know if he's fully charged, but look at those eyes. Ooh, I was hoping he moved faster, but it's cool how he moves. Let's go reverse. Let's see if we can turn it. Move forward towards me. Come on, turn, buddy. I am turning right. Ooh, so I can control that. Let's turn him around. Now he's walking towards you. So the wings are where you can put them in different positions. I believe it said adjustable wings, roars. I'm pressing this button. cool sound. That's pretty neat. Plug into a USB port. I probably should just give it a full charge, see if we get any more speed out of it. So even though I'm turning left and right, I'm not getting a super sharp turn. So right now he's turned right. So it looks like the distance that he's actually going to need to take to turn right is quite a bit. Let's see if I can bring him back into the camera. It almost seems like the left is better than the right. Yeah, let me see. Let me try to get him in here. Come on in, buddy. You need to walk to the charger. I do think it's pretty cool how he moves. Now let me just see, because it almost seems like that way is not as complete as that way. I'll tell you what, let me get him fully charged and I'll make my, what do I want to say? Make my determination as to what's going on here. I was thinking he would zip along the floor a little faster. But it is kind of, it's kind of bug-like if you ask me. Creature-like. Now, let's get this guy all charged up. Of course, I'll try it without the lights on, too. Oh, look, his feet actually touch. When this one flips over, it hits this one. Look at that. See it? It almost propels him a little bit, like pushes his ankle. Yeah, that left turn, to me, seems to be, yeah, it's more of a left turn. All right, enough of that. Let's charge him up. Okay, so I am back. It is fully charged. Now, it says right here, white stays on until completely charged. So I waited for the eyes to light up. It was actually about a half hour, so it had some good charge to it. So let us turn it on and see what happens. Here we go. And a 1, and a 2. Let's see if it goes any faster. Well, I'm going to say it doesn't go any faster. I do like the fire effect. Now, I'm looking at it now. It actually has a design to it, but we can't see it. It looks like there is a little metal piece in there that has flames on it. So that's what's actually showing up. Pretty cool, all the gears in there. Let's get a close-up of the gears. We want to see those gears? Yes, you do. I'm sure you do. Here we go. Let's see what's happening inside. Ooh, so the tail almost actually like pulls out. Look at that. So these gears are moving. This rotates, must move his, yeah. So that's what's controlling his left and right. He's sick. Help me, help me, help me. I can't turn over. I will help you, little dragon. Shoot. Get your wings out. You must fly away. Go. Aha! You didn't notice. Did you notice I turned the lights off? All right, let's do the dragon effect here, upside down. So that's what you see. Now there it is on the tabletop. See that? That is pretty cool. So it resets when you press the button. Let's get a little different camera angle here so we can see his eyes from the side. There we go. It's really hard to get the whole effect. That's still pretty cool. said camera doesn't like to stay in focus. Let's see if we can get him come right to you. All right, watch for red lights. If you have a hard time with red lights, I'm going to drive him towards the camera. Okay, I'm not going to drive him towards the camera. Now I'm going to drive him towards the camera. And then hit the button. Ah, look at that. He's got those red beady eyes. It's sort of a scary sound he makes. Ooh, he's really trying to talk to us. I think he's saying... Oh, he's escaping. No, he's coming back. No, he's escaping. No, he wants to come back. Oh, he's flying by the camera. Of course, the camera goes out of focus, but that's a good time for me to come back. Okay. Couple things. One, it is fun to play with. I like any kind of remote control toy. We all know that. See, the left turn works great. The right turn... it almost like he just goes straight. See? That's right turn. Here's left turn. I do like the floppy look of his feet. I guess the only thing is I'd like to see it go faster. When I think of HexBug, I think of like super fast, going across the floor. They scamper by. So I just got to get adjusted to the speed of this little fella. Come here. Ooh, what are you mad for? Don't be mad. Don't be mad. Alright, I think we got it all in video for you today. I'll just let him scamper around a little bit. Let's see if he'll make the turn. Oh, he made it. Ooh, did you get out of signal there? Let's see if he'll fall off my table. Don't fall off the table. He did not. Ooh, he made it. Ooh, no. Don't stop. Let me just hold him up like this. Yeah, so it's almost like a strange lizard. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I think there was one or two other HexBug items, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do those. Haven't decided yet. Like when I grab something off a shelf, I say, ooh, I promised a video of that. It's kind of neat looking at it. It's almost like you see a bug outside and it's on his back and you want to go save it. It's kind of like that. I don't know. I like it. Like that. Help me! Help me! I'm swimming! Alright, that's good enough. Thanks for watching. You know what? I have a HexBug playlist, probably. I think I do. It'd be great if you can spend some time on that playlist. Watch a few videos. That would help me out tremendously. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel, which is me. Later. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.